Namaste, I'm JVN Lakshmi Jangir, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Law and Governance, Department of Management and Commerce. My subject is Business Organization, and today I am going to discuss about the topic of business communication. So let's start with what is business communication. Basically, communication is neither the transmission of message nor the message itself. It is a mutual exchange of understanding originating with the receiver. Communication needs to be effective in business. Communication is the essence of management. The basic functions of management is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling cannot be performed well without effective communication. So let's start with what is business communication. Business communication involves a constant flow of information. Feedback is an internal part of business communication. Organizations these days are very large and involve a large number of people. There are various levels of hierarchy in organization. Greater the number of levels, the more difficult in the job of managing the organization. So, communication plays a very important role in the process of directing and controlling the people in the organization. Immediate feedback can be obtained and misunderstandings, if any, can be avoided. So, there should be effective communication between superiors and subordinated in an organization. Between organization and society, examples like management and trade union, it essential for the success and growth of organization. So, business or communication is a goal oriented. The rules, regulations, and policies of a company have to be communicated to people within and outside the organization. Business communication is regulated by certain rules and norms. In early times, business communication was limited to paperwork, telephone calls, etc. But now, with the advent of technology, we have cell phones, video conferencing, emails, satellites communications to support business communication. Effective business communication helps in building goodwill of an organization. So business communication can be of two types. And what are the types are like oral communication and written communication. Oral communication can be formal or informal. Generally, business communication is a formal means of communication like meetings, interviews, group discussions, speeches, etc. An example of informal business communication could be grapevine. In grapevine, there are different peoples communicating on packages by other in the communication. These are informal communication. In written communication, written means of business communication includes agenda, reports, manuals, etc. So, this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box so can I will resolve it. Thank you so much. Stay safe.